Hello everyone, welcome you back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing about Nclex quiz on kidney and nephron for AIMS Norcet 2022. We'll be discussing 7 questions today. All these questions are very important, especially for AIMS 2022. First question is, this is a simple and very common question. The functional part of the kidney is known as the option A, renal pyramid, option B, renal pelvis, option C, nephron, option D, collecting ducts. All of you, I am sure you already know this answer. Correct answer here is C, D. For revision purpose only, and in case of any freshers, just to recall their memory, I am keeping these questions. Next question. Which statement below is true regarding the loop of Henle? Option A, the loop of Henle is found in both the renal cortex and renal medulla. Option B, the loop of Henle is the largest part of the nephron. Option C, the loop of Henle is responsible for ultrafiltration. Option D, the loop of Henle is found in the renal medulla of the kidney. We'll be seeing in the subsequent questions about various parts of the kidney, and this particular question is asking about which statement is true about the loop of Henle. Correct answer here is D. D is correct answer because the loop of Henle is present in the medulla. In the medulla, remember that loop of Henle is present in the medulla. Next questions. Based on this figure, this figure number 1, number 7 represents is label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7 means this image, number 7. Option A, renal cortex, option B, renal pyramid, option C, renal column, option D, renal calyx. Correct answer here is B. In figure 1, number 7 is this number 7 here. Number 7 here. This is a renal pyramid, and this one is a renal cortex. One is renal cortex, whereas correct only. One is renal cortex, 2 is renal medulla, 3 is remember, it's not a renal vein, it is a renal artery. 4 is a renal veins. 3 is renal artery, whereas 4 is renal veins, and 5th is the uterus. 6 this is here, as you can see here, is a Bowman's capsule. 7 I have already discussed, it is a renal pyramid, and 8 is a renal capsule. So the correct answer here is renal pyramid. In figure 1, number 1 represents option A, renal cortex, option B, renal pyramid, option C, renal column, option D, renal major calyx. Answer is B, which is renal pyramid. This is image based questions. Next question. We will seeing this various parts of human kidney anatomy. As you can see, this is a renal capsule, and the red one is a renal artery. It's not renal vein. It receive deoxygenated blood, whereas renal vein receive oxygenated blood. And then this is a ureter. Then this is interlobular arterioles and venules. This is interlobular arteries and veins. Then there is a renal column here. Then renal medulla, cortex. You just know the basic anatomy of the kidney, then only will be able to solve these questions. Next question. Interesting question actually, this one. The renal medulla's environment is dash, which plays a vital role with the help of the nephron in maintaining the water and salt balance in the body. They are asking here the renal medulla's environment, whether it is isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic, or hyper or hypotonic, or either both, so to say. Correct answer here is C. The renal medulla's environment is hypertonic, which plays a vital role with the help of nephron in maintaining the water and the cell balance in the body. Important questions. Next, Dash is the process where water and solutes are removed from the filtrate and enter back into the circulation via peritubular capillaries. Option A, tubular reabsorption. Option B, renal secretion. Option C, renal resorption. Option D, tubular secretion. Our answer here is correct. Here is A, tubular reabsorption is a process where water and solutes are removed from the filtrate, enter back into circulation via peritubular tubular capillaries. Again, this is also very important points. Dash is the process where substances enter from the peritubular capillaries to the renal tubules, hence the filtrate. Option A, renal reabsorption. Option B, tubular secretion. Option C, tubular filtration. All this almost same only term, but we should know the exact definition of which one is this. Tubular excretion. Correct answer here is B, tubular secretion is a process where substances enter from the peritubular capillaries to the renal tubules, hence a filtrate. Next question. The structures that take blood to the glomerulus for filtration is known as the option A, afferent arteriole. Option B, renal vein. Option C, peritubular capillaries. Option D, afferent arteriole. Structure that takes blood to the glomerulus. Correct answer here is afferent arteriole, whereas afferent is like away from the glomerulus to the other part of the kidney, whereas afferent is takes blood to the glomerulus or to the glomerulus for filtration. So afferent, this is always a favorite questions of most of these examiners. So yeah, this is for today. Thank you. Kindly like, share and subscribe.